Hoisin beef and asparagus stir fry. Ingredients: 1 pound strip steak, cut into 1/4 inch thick slices. Half cup hoisin sauce. 1 teaspoon oil. 1 pound asparagus, woody ends removed, stalks cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 tablespoons water. 1 red pepper cut into strips. Salt and pepper, to taste. Sesame seeds, to top. Instructions: combine steak slices and 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce in a shallow bowl. Let marinate 10 minutes, or up to 12 hours, covered, in the refrigerator. Heat half a teaspoon of oil in a wok or large non-stick skillet, over medium-high heat. Add the steak, and cook, stirring often, until the beef is mostly cooked through. 2 to 3 minutes. Remove steak from pan and set aside. Add remaining half a teaspoon oil to the wok. Add asparagus and sauté until the color begins to brighten 1-2 minutes. Add the remaining 6 tablespoons hoisin sauce and 2 tablespoons water. Mix well. Cover the wok and steam for 1 minute. Add the red pepper strips and cooked steak to the pan. Sauté an additional 2-3 minutes, until the sauce has thickened and the ingredients are heated through. Serve hot with rice or noodles.